you impatient and waiting for the Galaxy Watch 6 to be released? Well, stay tuned and I will show you how to get the newest watch faces from the Galaxy Watch 6 on your Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 5. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Start by swiping down and pressing the settings icon. Scroll to the bottom, select About Watch, scroll down and select Software, scroll to Software Version, tap until you see Developer Mode turned on, press the back button, scroll down, you'll see Developer Options, select Developer Options and scroll down and enable ADB debugging. Scroll further down and select Debug over Wi-Fi. You will see an IP address that will show up with a port number. Press the back button. Press the back button again. Now go ahead and grab your Galaxy phone, and you will need to install the Easy Fire Tools application from the Google Play Store. Once that's installed, open up and click the settings button. You will go to the IP address and put in the IP address that you noted earlier in the developer settings. We will then click the connect button. It will connect to your watch. Select OK on the screen. Now we will go back to our phone. We will continue to authorize the connection, and we will go ahead and select the files that you will download in the link below. Click Select File. Select the file that you want. It will show the watch face. Select Yes, and it will send the file to the watch, which will take a few minutes. Once the file transfer is complete, you will then open your Galaxy Wearable app, select Watch Faces, then scroll down to the Downloaded section, and you should see the newest watch face. Simply click on that. It will take a minute to load to the watch. And here is the first one, which is the Sphere Clock, I believe is what they call it, or Fluid. As you can see, this watch face has a bit of a bounce to it when you click on it. Simply repeat these steps to load the remaining other 3 watch faces. Here is the next watch face, which is called Stretched Time. This is one of the more popular that you may have seen in the promotional information from Samsung. The shortcuts to the date and to the heart rate both work on this version. When the watch face turns on, you will see the time stretch, hence the name of Stretched Time. Here is the third watch face called Perpetual. This has a moon, day, date, and month. It does not look like any of the shortcuts. If you're enjoying this content, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified when new videos are uploaded. Thanks again for watching.